Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at Facebook and how to add an Instagram link into your profile. This is a super quick tutorial, but if you do find it useful, please click the like button. And with that said, let's jump on over to the desktop. Okay, so here I am just within the desktop. It's also just worth noting that the same methodology will work for the mobile apps as well as the desktop that I am showing you now. The first thing that we want to do is actually make sure that we're in our profile and navigate over to the intro section here and the edit details. If we give that a click, at the very bottom here we want to click on update your information. With this loaded, we can now see the about section and we want to go down to the contact and basic info. From here we can see the add social link, and we can add a social link just here. And what we can do is just add in that office guy, for example, as the Instagram account and click save. What this will do is basically now add that Instagram account directly into our Facebook profiles. And it is as simple as that in order to be able to add many different social media accounts links directly into your Facebook profiles. Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. There's a very long list to choose from. If you found this useful, please click the like button and I'll catch you guys in the next video.